Everyone, now we'll see how to create Google Forms for quiz using cloud computing. As for cloud computing, we don't need to download uh, that software forms. So here in open Google and type forms.google.com. So here we'll be using directly on cloud computing, so no need of downloading Forms app. So here open this, so we'll get that form. So this is untitled form. Now we'll create a quiz. So before creating, you click on this three dots, click on setting, then these three options you'll get. Okay, now when you're giving quiz link to anyone, so you can send this quiz by using link. You can give anyone link, or you can send this quiz via email, or even link you can give. So here when they are giving quiz, so what we want to collect, we want to collect their email address. We want that they we should get summary, and we will not allow them to appear more than once, so limit here. Presentation means I want detail, so we'll click here, and here move ahead, click on quiz, make this is option is very important. As you make this a quiz, assign the point value to question and allow auto grading, means automatically as anyone appear for quiz, automatically marks will be auto graded automatically. So I want how to release immediately or later, means immediately after exam they will get the result, or later means manually those who had created they will release the grading. Now save this. Now we'll write here title, so I'll write quiz 1, or quiz form description, suppose I write computer. Now here email address is compulsory, so further if we can change this also. Now we'll start adding question here, click here. Suppose I'm see, now we are, because we are creating quiz form, so we can create MCQ type question. Click here. If you want to select from multiple choice only one checkbox, when you want to use this checkbox, when you want uh, them to appear for more than one option to select, or even if you want to create for short answers you can do. But now today we'll see with multiple choice, checkbox and short answer. So here I am creating MCQ for radio button, so it will allow only one selection from multiple choice. So I'll write identify input devices, output devices. Okay, so I'll write now here any options, monitor suppose, then second option click below, suppose keyboard, then printer. Okay, so now I want to give marks, and which is correct I will write here marks, then which is correct answer. So here I'm sorry, two options, no, so I'll change here question. I will change the question as input devices, because I had given one correct answer, because monitor and printer are output device, input device is keyboard, so it is one. So I want compulsory that whoever is appearing for quiz compulsory should appear for this question. And marks I had given marks, again click here, how much marks you want, one I had written, Okay, so done. So this is first question done. Now next question I want to add. So click here on this plus sign below. Now suppose next MCQ I want to create a checkbox so that those who is appearing for quiz is allowed to select more than one option. Suppose I had set for only two. So see, so identify application software. So here you have to select which type of quiz questions you are giving. Now here I suppose Windows, Word, now you can give more than one correct answer because will allow user to select only two. If two correct answer, then answer is right, otherwise zero. If one is right, one is wrong, still it will take zero because here auto grading system is there, so it will not allow one answer is also correct for giving for that one answer marks. So here also I'll say compulsory marks and to give I'll give 2 marks. So answer is Word, Excel. Okay, done. So this I had created 3 marks paper. Now more I want to add. Suppose now I want to create full form of I'm telling to write full form of e-commerce or B2C B2C model in e-commerce. Okay, now if now I'll write here. Now I had selected short answer like just full form, so I'll write the answer also here. So how to write? Click on this tick mark, write marks, 2 mark. Now here I'll write the answer business to. Now write if and only if. Generally question answer manually it is checked, but just for showing I'm showing you because we can't say how they're writing now here in this business to consumer. So for just for showing I'm showing you. Okay, so they can write this way or any way, a different way also. So I'm giving this mark all as correct. Means I had written only one, like someone write business numeric to commerce this way also. So total marks now 4 mark paper I had created. Okay, now after this, see here on 5 marks. Okay, this is 1 mark, 2 mark and 2 marks, sorry, 5 marks. So on the here you can see total points 5 marks paper I had created. Now after this click on arrow. Now this quiz as you had created, now you want to send this quiz to multiple students or anyone whom you want them to appear, so you can send them via email. You have to write their email address or by this link. So click on this shorten email link, copy that link, give them this link by pasting on their any app like WhatsApp, you can say Telegram and so on, or you can give this type of link also to them. So better is giving short type of link, copy it and give them this link. Okay, so either they will open this link directly on Google browser on address bar, or they can click wherever link you had given them. Okay, so automatically this form will get open. Okay, now we have to close this. Okay, now we will like now this we had created form. Now we will see how to appear for this quiz. Okay, now as a student, suppose I am appearing. Now how to do that, we'll see that. Now that link, suppose those who is appearing for exam, so paste this link. Okay, now that form which we had given them, this will appear. Now we are appearing for this quiz, so write any email address. So I'll write ABC, any email address. Okay, so if you write valid email address, you will get even a reply by the creator. Okay, how much you had scored. But right now, as we had created form, immediate they should get the marks, so they will get immediately marks. And if the creator who had released the score and through send them the score on their email, so they'll get that email also. So I'm correcting here. Suppose this answer is, suppose one wrong one right I'm doing, suppose Excel. Okay, both right I'll say, and here I'm writing some wrong answer. So total marks, see how much we'll get. Submit. Now we'll view the score. See here, up total points I got 3 marks, here 2 marks, and below 0 mark. Okay, so this way now you can go back. We can see the previous responses, those who had appeared for this, as only one student had appeared for this, so response is only one. Now this score, the creator want to manage the database. So how to do that, we'll see that also while creating only. How to save this in a database who had created this quiz. Okay, so that all those who appear for this quiz will get the their record in our database. So we'll see that also. Now this creator had want that all the responses should be saved in some Excel file, so that those who appear for this quiz, the data should get collected in database, that is their Excel sheet. So click on responses. Here Excel sheet is their green color, so you can see who had appeared for exam. Okay, so you can see individual and so on. Okay, so we'll see now. Here click on this dots, see here, select the response destination. So I want to create a new database. Okay, whenever anyone, so this is change made by the creator of quiz. Okay, now we'll see the answer. Like in our Excel sheet, I told that it should save in Excel sheet, destination as a Excel sheet. Here see, as I selected create a new worksheet, so now those who appear, the data I'll get in worksheet. So we'll see in Excel sheet. So I'll close this. Now we want that marks should get collected in Excel as your creator of this quiz. So click on response, release the score. Okay, in your Excel sheet, and as well as email. So whom this email you want to send. So click that response. If I don't want, so this is only one student had appeared, so we'll send email. Now we'll see in our Excel sheet this marks will filled in our Excel sheet. So we'll see that. Now open Excel. This database of those who had appeared for your quiz will get appeared in your Excel sheet. So as soon as anyone get appear, you will get their data in your Excel sheet. So here 3 marks they got. See what answer they had selected for that. Hope you understood. Thank you.